Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how we can enable or disable audio descriptions. So we have to tap the settings button on the remote control, move for the all settings. Next go for accessibility, and there we can find the audio description. So there we get also description of this feature that describes the contents on the screen with voice for visual impaired viewers to use TV. And this function works only when it's provided by the broadcast program. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. Here you can also change the volume of this feature, but I don't need it and I'm going to turn it off. But if you need, that's how you can activate it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.